Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Messages because Memoji attached to your sticker/emoji set. Open a chat, tap the app drawer, then the Memoji icon. This gives you direct access. Once there, tap the three dots or edit to view existing Memoji options or create a new one. You do this now to avoid navigating settings. It's faster and shows live preview. Make sure your iPhone supports Memoji and is updated, since older versions won't show the editor. You'll now customize details because this is where identity and expressiveness are set. Pick an existing Memoji or create a new one, then work through sections like skin, hairstyle, eyes, and facial hair. Use the color swatches and subtle sliders to match tone and texture precisely, and tap head shape or age to refine proportions. Once done with one section, move on. Changes save as you go. Remember, these choices affect how animated reactions and stickers map to your face in Messages and FaceTime. After finishing edits, tap Done so your changes are stored and available as stickers or during FaceTime. This ensures your animations match. If you want the same Memoji on other Apple devices, make sure iCloud Sync for Messages is enabled. If you don't see updates, restart the Messages app or your phone. If that fails, update iOS and confirm camera and Face ID permissions. These steps fix most issues because Memoji depend on system services and the camera for live tracking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.